Right, so we are okay to merge. Now let's go ahead and press the merge to main button. So here in our pull request, so add footer with link, what I'm going to do is, so even though at least one approving review is required, because I'm an admin, I can just squash and merge. So here I'm going to press squash and merge. And then confirm. And there we go. So now in here, I've got everything set up already. And you can see that add footer with link kicked in. And soon we should see a Slack message in here if everything goes well. And let me click on it. And then deploy. And there we go. Now we can see things properly. So it's just initializing the containers. And the next thing that I will do, it will try to send a Slack message. There we go. You saw that it worked. CI/CD ongoing. So this is really cool. So logged into Docker Hub. Maven clean package to push to Docker Hub. And let's just wait a second. And by the way, this is the app running off Elastic Beanstalk, right? So remember we added a footer, which currently we don't have, right? So creating an optimized build, and usually people that visit my course, they always end up deleting all of the data that I have here. So you should be adding data and not deleting. So just give a second. So this will take a while. There we go. Now it's running the backend tests. Pushing to Docker Hub. There we go. And check this out. Deployment started. And you can see that this is now triggering. So this is really cool, right? So, and you can see also pushed Amigos code. And if I quickly show you, so in here, if I go to code, you can see that we have 26 seconds ago, a commit. If I click on it, there we go. You can see that it did change this version right here, and then it pushed to Docker Hub, and whoa, that was super quick. And yeah, so you can see that we got the last message with a nice party emoji, and it says that everything worked. And you can see that this health is now green. So now, before, remember, so if I put this full screen, before, remember, we didn't have the link. Now, if I put this bigger and then refresh the page, check this out. You can see that the application has been successfully deployed. I can click on it and it takes me to this website or to this course right here, which is really cool. So there you have it. You can see that this is working beautifully, and CI/CD is amazing. So here, what I was saying was that you can see that it did actually change the version to the one it pushed to Docker Hub. So this is really cool, right? So this step right here, push to Docker Hub, and then we got message, and then update commit or update Docker compose file, which was this commit right here, and then deploy to AWS. And you saw that that was really quick. We deployed, and then we got a new app version. And this is amazing. So there you have it. If you have any questions on what we've done in this section, go ahead and let me know. Otherwise, let me wrap up this section next.